If you find your wireless keypad is starting to lose signal or underperform, it's probably time to change the battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, an Allen key, and the new batteries, of course. These are CR2032s. Firstly, use your screwdriver to remove the front panel. Then use the Allen key to remove the keypad from the wall mount. Next, unlock the battery compartment on the back of the keypad unit and carefully remove the batteries. You're now ready to install the two new batteries, and these should be inserted with the numbers on the battery facing up. Then just refit the cover, the wall mount and the front cover, and you're all done and ready to go.